Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little portable fan for the gym, and I'll show you what we got here. And then up in one of these corners here, hopefully I'm showing you the usage connected to my Peloton bike. So here we go. So this is what the fan looks like here just by itself. It is a fan with a the ball mount that you would have, like a ball mount for like your car things and stuff like that. So we have, comes with, I guess, a support card for information. Comes with instructions. I kind of showed you how to put it on the handles there. So that's what you'll be seeing up there. And here is the strap to strap it around with the little ball mount on it. Here is a recharging cable. So it is USB to USB-C. And a couple of these little wire things. So if you need to tape the wire to the Peloton, you can. So this is kind of it here. Let me see, it's got the little power button on the back there, and I can feel it's got a good, that's pretty good blow actually right off the bat. And then that's 2 and 3. I'm gonna guess this is gonna be the highest because it's blowing me away, yeah. So I would probably leave it on like a 2 because otherwise it'll just dry my eyes out totally. But this has got a good fan to it, so this is exciting. I needed a new fan. I was trying to use one, but I have it on the floor so far away, all it's doing is just not getting to my face. So this, I'm gonna strap it onto my Peloton. You'll be able to see it here in the corner, and it's gonna be good. Thumbs up, awesome. Okay, so here you can see I've got it here for my Peloton, and I can kind of adjust it up and down and wherever, and then tighten it up, and it's gonna be just the perfect thing. So as I'm sitting here on the Peloton, I don't have the right shoes on for it. I have my clip-in on one side and the other one on the other side. But you get the idea. I'll be able to be sitting here and have the fan blowing on me. And before I had this other one here that just kept falling down and everything like that. So finally I get to get rid of that one and have a nice, good, perfect fan. Thumbs up for sure. This is the best.